NewBee remote ID and GPS onto the Oasisfly sub 250. We have an ND filter on here. The side panels themselves, 6.28. This without the side panels and that ND filter, 172.68. Add on all these little extras. Shout outs to Drone Shack for this. 180.70. The recommended battery is the 720 or 750 mAh. I've got 850, 550, and 660. 244.71. With the 550, 235.36. 850 mAh to 269. Quite clearly labeled. Clear GPS wiring here. So yeah, there's R6T6. We have our 5-volt and our ground here. I'll probably use something like this much. Just finished stripping these. What do we have? Yeah, that's still moist. We've tinned the tips of our cables. We've tinned pads that we're going to use. The transmitter TX to R6. RX goes to T6. Ground and 5 volts, pretty straightforward. An experienced person would twist it. We'll have to take it outside to test. Sanity check on the weight. Side panels off. 242.85 with the 660.